On day 7 of each week, we've got a kneeling single arm tricep kickback, and we've got some Superman rows and a little bit more of a complicated setup, but I'll talk you through it now. So I've actually set up, I'm not sure you can see it from there, I'm going to bring the camera over actually. So I've set up 2 bands on my low attachment. So I've got a low attachment on the door. I've got my dark blue band, so my 13-pound band, my 5.9 kilo band set up with the proper handles on, and I've got my 2.3 kilo band that is doubled up and connected to one ankle strap. Okay, so there's 2 different exercises and 2 different bands, and then I've also got a towel set up. You can set a mat up or what have you there as well, because both exercises require slightly different resistances on this one. So if I take you through the single arm tricep kickbacks, first of all, we're down in an all-4 position, so that's why I've set the mat up here. And then if I try and do it sideways for you, you might be able to see a bit better. So from here, you want to feel the resistance on the band, and you want to start with your hand in line with your chest there. And then we're literally doing a kickback movement. And back in, so my hand comes back under my chest. Full extension back there and back in. This is a really hard exercise, and it really isolates your triceps. So feel that squeezing your triceps back there, control it back in. You don't want your whole arm moving, that will take the emphasis off your triceps. So hand under your chest, keep your elbow fixed there, and kick back, control it back. Kick back, control it back. Once you've completed the number of reps on that arm, switch to the other arm. You've then got your Supermans. I'm going to move slightly further back on this one. My body might just be out of range, but you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I've gone for the 5.9 kilo band on here with the proper handles. My chest is on the floor, and then from here, my hands are nice and wide, elbows stay wide, and you're in that Superman position. So this is literally mimicking a pull-up. If you can, set your shoulder blades back and down, and that way you really use your lats as opposed to your shoulders. So set your shoulders back and down. You can keep your head off the floor, that doesn't need to be on the floor. So the upper part of my chest and my head is off the floor. Squeeze down there. So really, really good exercise, this one. And that's your superset of your kneeling single arm tricep kickbacks and your Superman rows.